Wow, today is a beautiful day. Let's go to the park right now.
Hello.
Hello, bro. Come and meet me at the park.
Okay, bro, I am just coming. Wait for some minute. I just woke up, man.
Okay, then. I am waiting for you.
Okay then.
Yo, bro. Nice to see you. Today is a beautiful day, isn't it? By the way, on this beautiful day, I want to go to a beautiful place and eat some delicious food.
Yeah, me too. Let's go fishing then.
Okay? I have the fishing rod.
And I have the bucket. Let's start now.
So I am fishing show. I got one.
Oh, show me then. Let me see it.
Why isn't it coming out, man?
Oh no, I should probably run away now.